Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy weekly analysis. Welcome to our weekly analysis, 20th of May 2024. I'm excited once again to bring to our notice how the market performed last week and also what we're expecting in the global financial market this week under review. All right, so this analysis covers from today, Monday, 20th of May 2024 through Friday this week. So let's look at what happened last week, from Monday last week till Friday. If this is the first time you're seeing a video, please subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Ensure you comment. Even those that have been following us, we want to get your feedback. Let's have your comments in the comment section. Please comment, like this video, comment. All right, this will encourage us to do more, to dedicate our time and then analyze the market and then give you the direction we feel that the market is going. All right, the essence of this analysis is to give you direction where the market is going. All right, so we may not be able to dwell so much to tell you everything we are seeing, based on smart money concepts and then based on other strategies and tools we are using to trade. All right, so we just give you an overview of the direction of the market. All right, if you want to really know how we get to know the direction of the market fully, then you need to join our academy. You need to join our academy, Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, so we have academy. We run both online and offline. Go to our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. Then you will see how to join. You can also reach us directly at Dubiss1 on Telegram. Then we'll show you how to join our academy to learn. We focus on forex education. So let's start with XAUUSD, which is good. We always like to start with good. Last time this is what we draw. This is what we feel our buyers based on the last month that good hit all-time high around 2431. Good hit all-time high last month, so it started retracing. All right, so we were believing that the pair, the gold, should retest that high and then from there fall. So you can see what we draw. We told you last week that gold is on its way to go and retest this high, but to our greatest surprise today, now being 20th of May, it has actually broken this high. Gold have hit another all-time high. All right, gold hit around 24. Let's just draw this line, drop it so that you know exactly what gold hit. All right, almost 2449, almost 2450. All right, that's almost 2450. That was what gold touched today, 20th of May. Okay, so what we are going to see right now, you can see this movement it surpassed where we were believing. If you watch my last video, you will see that I told you that I was going to buy that day, that I will buy and then see if the price I will buy to 2360. All right, but it even passed the 2360. It passed there, hits break 24, break 2, gold break 2400, and now almost 2450. So today, let me just start with today. Let's go to H1. I'm going to see today. I believe that gold will be dumped today. It will fall today. I've already started selling. The first trade I entered, because I have to use 100 pip stop loss. That one his stop loss. I've entered again. So if you're seeing this video, you can see what is happening in 1 hour. All right, if this closes like this tweezer, then that means gold will continue to move down. So I believe that today, at least today, gold should retrace from this all-time high that it hit today. So it's already coming down. Like I said, I don't like to trade gold now on a long-time basis because gold is very volatile. So if you want to trade gold for today, and then I don't know what will happen tomorrow. For today, I believe that gold will fall today. But on a weekly basis, all right, on a weekly basis, we can also see that gold most likely will retrace from that high. All right, from that high that it has made. So, but like I said, we need to take it step by step. Go to lower time frame, M15, M5, and then you go there and look for opportunities to sell, to short good. Today, more especially if you're seeing this video today, you can short good. So all right, so our target this week is to see if gold will retrace from that high to 2400. When we come back next, we'll see if price hit 2400. So I've started selling already. So we are looking for 400 and around 450 pips to make from gold this week. So that's our bias for this week for gold. For GBUSD, all right, GBUSD have turned bullish. Remember last time we made video, I told you that once here is broken, our first bias is that here we broken and move up, which this actually worked. This was the second bias, but I told you once here is broken that you should buy GBUSD. We're already buying, we started buying even from under here, and then some of them actually hit even TP5 and TP4. All right, right now we are trying to also, at the moment where the price is now, we are trying to short GBUSD. It's a key level. It's actually on a key level. Okay, where price is now, you can see price got here, touched here, and fall. If you draw this across, you see that each time price gets here, price normally go fall. Sorry, let's remove these harmonics so that the chart will be free. Okay, so let's see. If you watch, see that each time price, this place, each time price gets here, price will struggle to either break, price will struggle there. Look at it. Okay, across here. Okay, so from this point now, we believe that price will fall from here. Okay, so these are new analysis on GBUSD. From here, price should fall down, come down here before price will continue to rise. So you can look for opportunity to short GBUSD. Same thing with Euro USD. Euro USD, if I want to go to H4, all right, or let's go with daily first. You know, we normally like to analyze with daily. Okay, Euro USD, remember last time our video we were under here, I told you as far as this trend line is holding, that the price will continue to go down. Each time you come to the trend line, it goes down, it comes here, it goes down. All right, but last week this trend line was broken. All right, so what we will expect this week right now is that price should come back and retest this place as, all right, as a support. Then price will continue, because Euro USD have turned bullish. Price will now continue to move up. All right, so this place has been broken, and this place that is broken, if you watch, you see that this place is also a key level. Look at it. Each time price touch here, so price will respect here, which is what price is actually doing right now, trying to respect here, then fall, retest here as a support, and then price will fly. All right, so you look for opportunity to short Euro USD. For AD USD, we're buying AD USD before, but right now we have started selling AD USD. We started selling AD USD. So let's go back to our daily. So excuse me, for AUD USD, like I said, the price will go down because we are still believing that these harmonic patterns will work out, so it's still valid. All right, so I told you, as far as this harmonic pattern is still valid, it will go down. So let's look at the bigger picture. So what we are looking for here is a retracement for this movement from up to down here, from down to up, right? So, but on a bigger picture, AD USD may be on its way to test this resistance point here. Remember, I always tell you to go and look at the bigger picture. You just zoom in, go to daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame, then you see the direction of the market, and then you can trade in that line. All right, it's always good to trade in the direction of the trend. Okay, so but of course price at a point will not just continue to move directly to go to that point. For example, if price is going to go to 0.6900 area, all right, right now price is around 0.6700, so price will not just continue to move and get here. So you will see to making high lows, high lows until you get there. So if you want to trade in the direction of the price, then you wait for price to come down, because we are believing from where price is right now that it will come back to retest here, all right, before price could continue now to move up. Okay, so these are new analysis for AED USD. So we still believe that from where price is now to go now, but this is where we anticipate price will get to, around this area. So same thing with NZD USD, because right now I'm shorting NZD USD. Okay, so we are shorting NZD USD. So we believe that price will come down. All right, we believe that price will come down to at least around 61.8 of this movement. So that's why we're shorting NZD USD. Currently, price have hit a resistance point. We call it supply and demand zone. All right, this is a supply zone, so we believe that price will come down. Look at the harmonic patterns. We are believing that it will play out. So I will draw a trend line from this place, so we'll leave it that way. Okay, let's see how the market will react. Okay, so if you watched last time that I made a video, I told you when price was going up that it would get to 61.8. Look at where we're looking at, then price fall, but you can see it broke it. It's currently around 78.6. That's where price is, but we still believe that price will fall from there. Okay, so trade with caution, right? So USD CAD is still currently at a level where we told you that price will bounce from there. We are selling USD CAD since, and it hits a support zone. We told you that price will fly from there, and you can see that price has been there. It has not really moved. Okay, so since last week we are here, we told you that price will bounce from this point. So we are still believing that price will bounce. So if you see this video and you see price within this zone, so you can buy. The zone we are talking about is around 1.3600, 1.3610, 1.3620. so if you see price around this region, just watch this video, watch this analysis, watch the places we have highlighted. Those places are the key levels. So once you watch, you check by the right side, you see the price. Once you see price is still within the zone where we highlighted, either for a buy or for a sell, then you trade accordingly. So that's why I'm telling you to always watch our video. You see where we are. For USD CHF, we told you that when price broke down back here, we told you that we are shorting. We short USD CHF. All right, we've resisted, and that's why I always tell you about joining our paid group. All right, so that you know when we are going to exit a particular position. All right, so but as we speak right now, we started buying the USD CHF last week. All right, we bought and we have made 50 pips from this movement. So where price is now is dicey. All right, so for those that are holding, those on our paid group and you're seeing this video, so what you just need to do is to make sure, if you have not closed your position, make sure you move your stop loss to entry points. All right, so once you move your stop loss to entry point, then you can continue to hold your position, because price may likely break this particular structure again and then start to grind higher. All right, so ensure you have partial closed your position for those that took that trade for a buy. All right, for those that are seeing this video and they want to trade USD CHF, all right, so you need to wait, all right, to see if this place will be respected as a resistance. Once you see a price action respecting here as a resistance, price start to fall before you can short USD CHF. Or if price break here back and retest it, you see the one I dropped before, price breaking, retest, and then you can now buy, continue to buy. But if you do not join buying from this particular place. Look at where we started buying. Let me highlight it. We started buying from here. All right, okay, because we saw that price tested here for 3 consecutive times, came down here, rejected, came down here, rejected, came down here, and that rejection. So we started buying from here. Okay, so we have to wait to see what will happen here. If price will continue to go high, break here, retest it, and then continue to go high. Then for GBCHF already broken this structure. Remember I told you that we are buying GBCHF since from this point. We have been buying. When we got here, closed our position, I told you that here will be respected. It came down, fall here, came down to this structure we've highlighted, which is a key level. It went back again up, came down. Right now you can see that price are broken. So what we have to wait now, what we trade is actually what we see. All right, you don't force market to go your direction, even though we've highlighted that this is the movement, this is the direction of the market, but you need to now watch and see what will now play out. So what we can now wait to see is if price will now come down, retest here as a support before we can continue to buy. But at the moment you cannot buy at this point, so you wait and see to see if here will be retested and tested as a support, or if it will be broken, and then before you can start to short again for GBCHF. Then GBJPY. For those that have not watched our previous video, go and watch it, but let me just show you what we are seeing on a bigger picture. On a bigger picture, GBJPY on a monthly time frame, like I said before, could be, I made this video last year when we were even around here. This is where we are. I told that this is the bigger picture, that GBJPY may be on its way to this particular zone here, or to this zone, which is around 210, or around here 238, 240. This is where JPY is on its way to. Okay, this is a bigger picture for position traders, for those that have huge funds. What they do is when they see the direction of the market, they place their trade and leave it and allow it to play out. It can take 1 year, 2 years, 3 years before you get to that place. They don't care because they have large funds, huge funds. All right, but for you and I, for retail traders, you're looking for opportunity, intraday trader or day trader, you go down to your daily H4, H1, right, M30, M15 minutes, and look for opportunity to trade short time basis. All right, so but let's go with daily time frame. With daily time frame for GBPJPY, right, where price is, right, I believe that price is supposed to retrace. Okay, so I'm already shorting, though the trade is somehow dicey. So if you want to join me, you need to put your stop loss 100 pip stop loss from where price is currently. Price is currently 197.80. I started shorting 197.80, so it's running 5 pips loss as we speak right now. But I believe that this pair should go down to 50 pips. So we watch and see. Let me draw the line. Let me draw and see. Let's see. So I'm trying to see this pattern, LABCD. So play out. Okay. So I'm anticipating 250 pips short for that pair. For Euro AUD, all these ones are still as analyzed. We are anticipating price to go up. It has not really moved, so we have been taking 50 pips, 100 pips. We are believing that the bigger movement will come, but especially this week, because there is a news on NZD. All right, their interest rate this week. I think on Wednesday we'll check it together. So I believe maybe that day price will actually move very well. For Euro NZD, same thing. Go to daily Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Okay, Euro NZD is somehow the movement is somehow different from Euro AUD, though they move same direction. Euro AUD, we're shorting Euro AUD, and I showed you that 38.2, 50.0, 61.8. You can see how many days it took. This is since last month. Eventually it has hit the 61.8. You know, trading is about patience. if you're patient, you will make money. All right, so don't be quick to run out. It could take time before your analysis will start to play out. Okay, so right now it has hit 61.8, but I can tell you for sure, me, I actually exited this trade. I exited around 38.2. Okay, when I saw it around 38.2, it started going up, I exited. So but you can see that price have eventually hit 61.8. So what do we expect here? We expect price to bounce from there. So I'm already buying Euro NZ. So we expect price to bounce from here. Alright. So that's my analysis for this week. You can join the trade, buy Euro NZ. Alright, for USDC JPY, USD JPY. Alright, remember when price hit here, we told you that it will bounce, and it bounced and it went up. So currently for USD JPY, I'm out of this trade because I need to first of all know what is happening in JPY to really know direction where USD JPY will come. So I'm not giving any analysis for USD JPY. All right, for AUD JPY, same thing with AUD JPY. So but if anybody wants to trade AUD JPY, so in fact you can short from where price is currently, because price made a high, came down. So what you just see is something like this. Okay, so this is the movements. This is what happened. So let's use this last one, impulsive. All right, so okay, because I believe that AUD, this is what a pattern. So this is based on ABCD pattern, right? Harmonic pattern. So this is what we should anticipate. So if you want to trade AUD JPY, you should short AUD JPY up to this point. All right, look at the prices by the side and then you take action. Then for Euro card, I've been telling you that we are shorting Euro card. So if you want to short Euro card, you can see where you are to put your risk is above this particular point. Okay, then you have to short Euro card. So we still believe that price will go down. All right, so I'm shorting Euro card. You can join the trade. For GBAUD, let's go to daily GBAUD. All right, this is still working out. Okay, sorry, let's use this. Okay, so this particular structure, which is, you can see the where we highlighted our key level. Okay, let's extend it. Key level is still very much in play, so price will bounce up from there and go high. Finally for GBNZD, same thing. GBNZD, you can see that this structure is still playing out. Last week it hit it, we bought. Let me just tell some people congratulations that took that trade. Look at where we were last week. Look at it. This is 130 pips. This week again, this is where we are. So let's move it again because it has come back. So we still believe that price will go up. So let me put it exactly where price is when I analyze this pair. Price is currently around let's see, price is currently around 2.073. all right, so we are believing that price will still continue to go high back to this resistance level. So buy GBNZ once again this week. So these are analysis. Just go back to our previous videos and watch, and then see how these things play. What I'm interested in this analysis is just to give you the direction. All right, I don't want to bring too much drama, but if I see some comment that you want me to bring into a smart money concept to tell you the fair value gap, other blogs, then change of character and all those stuff, so it's for me to be showing you one by one, but it will just take time because we're analyzing plenty pairs. All right, if it is just one pair, I can just pick one pair and then give you all those things. Where we see fair value gap, you see where we see all those stuffs that will tell us whether buy or sell. Okay, but since we want to just analyze plenty pairs, so we just give you the direction, tell you this is where we've highlighted it, and we've highlighted it and tell you this is where we are trading. As we've highlighted this, we are buying. So your own is just to buy. When we were here, we say we are shorting. It came down to this point. Now we are buying. It's going up. Just this is just how it is. Here, when it was here, we started shorting, and it is here we are buying. Just very simple. All right. We just keep it simple. All right. This particular one, if you want me to highlight it so that you can see which zero card, I can say highlight it so that you see the level. All right. This is the level. I highlighted the first one here, small one. This is the bigger picture. All right. So this is the level, which is where price is currently. So, and we are shorting. Let me highlight the second one so that you see where the first point of call should be this point. Let's take this point. All right, this point, and then second one will be this point. Okay. All right. So we are shorting euro card. So simple. So let's look at fundamentals. All right. So let's look at the calendar. All right. Today is 20th May. So I normally like to use Forex Factory. Forex Factory. There are a lot of holidays today. Today is Monday, so market doesn't really move very much on Mondays. Okay. So we have bank holidays for CHF, bank holiday for Euro, French, bank holiday for Euro again for German. We also have bank holiday for CAD. All right, Canada. There's bank holidays today, so you can see plenty holidays today. Okay, so there's not much calendar, no red folder today. So let's look at tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll have CPI for CAD, Canadian dollar. We have CPI tomorrow by 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, so tomorrow just anticipates the volatility on Canadian dollar. Okay, so what do? We need to wait and see. These are the forecasts. If you want to analyze this, you need to go open the folders. You see the previous change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. That's the usual effect. All right. Then you will see what has happened before. Previously, for the last 5 times that this has happened, it has failed 3 times. Then it came out as forecasted once, and then it's only 1 time that it came out above forecasted, and that was December. So you can see February, March, April actual was less than forecasted, and it was not good for currency. So today they forecasted 0.5, so it may come out less than forecasted. Then Canadian dollar will be weak. All right, and if it come out less than forecasted, like I said about that, for example, USD card we buy. All right, so we are selling euro card. If it came out strong, then euro card, strong, all right, which will be good for the currency, then euro card we sell. Otherwise, euro card may buy. So, but we'll look at what will happen that time, and then sometimes may not really, the effect may not be much. It will just, after the news, the sentiments in the markets, then it will continue to go the direction where the market's supposed to go. So GBP will have Governor Belly, he will speak. BOE, he will speak 6 p.m. all right, and that will be same tomorrow. Wednesday we have NZD official cash rate. I told you, can see rate statements. So there will be volatility on NZD pairs. So those are trades may most likely move on Wednesday. Not may, it will move on Wednesday. It's either it move in our direction, it will move against us. So we just need to wait till that Wednesday. But we have taken our position, put our stop loss. If you go against us, we lose 100 pips. If you go in our direction, we take 250 pips minimum. All right, so let's go to Wednesday, Thursday. We still have FOMC. How will I forget FOMC? FOMC meeting minutes on Wednesday, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Please pay attention to this news. Very important. Wednesday is going to be a great day for USD pairs. All right, so pay very much attention for this. Also, there's also CPI for GBP same Wednesday. So there are plenty red folders this week. So just go to your Forex Factory, look at the red folders, look at Euro, French, Flash, Manufacturer, PMI. So on Thursday it's going to be great. It's going to be some movements for Euro pairs and GBP also pairs on Thursday. Look at them. Just go and see the red folders and even USD. So there are plenty red folders this week. So there are a lot of movement. There's going to be a lot of movement in the market, right? So finally on Friday, Friday we still have retail sales for GBP, and then we'll have revised consumer sentiment. So go to Forex Factory, look at the red folders, open each of them, and then you see the usual effect. Actual, greater than forecast is good for currency. You will see, just read all these things, check the previous, check the forecast and actual. So this will play out when actual is out. That is only the time you know the direction the market will take. Okay, so these are the fundamentals you need to look at. So like I said before, ensure you like this video, ensure you comment, ensure you join our Telegram channel. All right, so let me show you our Telegram channel. So this is our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. All right, so you can see our result last week. Last week we made 2,810 pips. We lost one trade last week. This week we already started. We have paid group where we give you entry and exit points, and then we have free group. Okay, so register with our broker to get started. This is our broker access. All right, if you come to our Telegram channel, you see the link for you to register with our broker. Then you fund your account and then you start trading. Thank you very much for watching. Trade with care. Ensure you trade with proper risk and money management. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.